Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with the all-new Multimatic 215 Pro by Miller Electric. So this is my demo unit. In another video I MIG welded with the unit, went through that process, but today I got my wireless TIG remote kit in today. So we put it together. I'm going to TIG weld in this video with this unit with my wireless remote foot pedal. I'm going to go over some of the options on the TIG welding, the auto set feature, what we can do to adjust the TIG welding aspect of this machine. Now, if you remember this machine, the 215 Pro replaced the old 215. New interface, longer MIG gun, newer upgrades internally, really nice. As you can see on the inside of the panel, got our same cut sheet of, hey, I'm welding this with this, and it gives you nice parameters, or we can use auto set. Also on this unit too, we have USB updatable program here on the inside. Very cool. New slot for your plug, so 110, 220 on the 215. Super nice machine, MIG welded with it. It's really just an all-around user-friendly, super light. We got it plugged in the 220. I got my argon hooked up to it for TIG welding. So there's two kits you can buy with this as far as TIG kit. So the TIG kit comes with regulator hose, TIG torch, foot pedal. You can get a wireless, which is what I have hooked up, and then you can get a wired foot pedal, which is a 25-foot cord for the wired foot pedal. The difference being wireless foot pedal about $150 more than the wired foot pedal in the kit. So same torch, same assembly, basically everything, gas regulator, everything, but the foot pedal is the only thing different. But I really like wireless foot pedals, run them a lot, super handy, convenient, you don't trip over the cord, because if you cut that cord, it's very expensive to fix. Whereas this thing is wireless, and it's talking to the receiver here. Super easy to do. Plug it in, it's ready to go, and then I'll walk you through some settings here. So just those two kits, we're going to link them down below. But on the settings here, what I wanted to show you, so we had it in an auto set, but you can turn auto set off, turn it back on. So process, we can only weld steel or stainless steel with the 215 Pro. You need to go to the 220 to weld that. So yes, we're going to pick TIG, but remember MIG, flux core, TIG, stick, we can do everything with it. Tungsten size, 1/16 or 3/32. I got 3/32 tungsten, we're gonna do that. Material thickness, so we can go 1/4 inch all the way up to 24 gauge down the 1/4 inch. So I got a piece of 1/8 inch, we're gonna pick that. Boom, auto set gives me 125 amps. Now I can go outside that parameter, or I can come right back into where it turns blue. That's my target. And then that's what it's gonna give me for just the auto set. Now I like the auto set features. We've been doing a lot of just messing around with auto set as far as schools and in little fab shops where we have thinner gauge material. And we've been doing a lot of work with the 215, the 211 Pros, and auto set is always spot on. I mean, it works really well. So if you don't know where to set it, trust the auto set feature. And then if you're an old school guy, you can obviously shut that auto set off and adjust your amperage, or if you're MIG welding, your wire feed and your voltage manually on that machine. But I trust the auto set. It works really well. We're going to try it on the TIG setup. Let me get my gear on, and I'll do a little welding with you on some 1/8 inch material. All right, so we got my machine set up here, 125 amps on auto set, 1/8 inch material, 3/32 tungsten, 3/32 filler. A little bit thicker, but it'll be okay. So we're going to try this out. Wireless foot pedal hooked up with lift arc, so I'm going to hit the pedal, scratch start, run with it. So let's try it out here. Very nice. I like that foot pedal. I like the remote control like that. So I was going up and down a little bit, just trying to mess around a little bit, playing with the amperage. Not the greatest looking bead in the world, but I just wanted to see what that remote would do. So that is a scratch start though, TIG. But you just hit the pedal, scratch start or lift arc, and then you go to town and it just start welding. But it is nice to have that remote amperage control instead of just having 125 amps right out of the rip. with just lift arc with no remote amperage control. So that's the benefit of the wireless foot pedal or the corded foot pedal, is that you can adjust that as you're going. Super cool, super cool. I like that machine a lot. Very, very nice. Now, like I said, we MIG welded with this. Now we've TIG welded with this. We've stick welded with these units. Very, very nice. A little all around. Very nice interface. Really cool. But if you guys got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for some more.